What if I told you there's a world out there where digital art can make you a millionaire? Where you could own unique virtual assets and make a profit without needing a massive bank balance to start? Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's the power of NFTs. And today, we're diving into this digital revolution. Stick with me, and in the next 5 minutes, you'll learn exactly what NFTs are, how they work, and how you can start making money. Today, let's get into it. All right, first things first, what exactly are NFTs? Well, NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. But don't worry, I'm not here to confuse you with jargon. Simply put, NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership of things like art, music, videos, and even virtual real estate. Imagine you buy a painting, except instead of hanging it on a wall, you own it in the digital world. The key here is uniqueness. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are interchangeable, one Bitcoin is the same as another, NFTs are one of a kind. This means they can't be replicated or exchanged on a one-to-one basis. Think of NFTs like a certificate of authenticity for digital goods. Cool, right? But here's the thing. The market for NFTs is exploding, and people are making serious money. In fact, some NFTs have sold for millions. And it's not just art, it's everything from music to memes. But hold up, you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. Can anyone really make money with NFTs? Well, stick around because I'm about to answer that question and show you how you can get in on it, no matter your financial situation. So how do NFTs actually work? Let's break it down. NFTs are built on blockchain technology, the same technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. When you buy an NFT, you're not just purchasing an image or video. You're essentially buying a digital certificate that proves you own that unique asset. That certificate is stored on a blockchain, making it impossible to fake. So when someone asks, how do I know this is real? The blockchain answers, because it's on here forever. Here's where it gets exciting. Anyone can create an NFT. Artists, musicians, or even everyday people can mint or create their own NFTs and sell them online. But, and this is the cliffhanger part, you have to understand that not every NFT is going to make you rich. Some will flop and some will skyrocket in value. But how do you separate the winners from the losers? You'll want to watch until the end because I've got some insider tips on how to spot NFTs with potential and how to avoid the scams. You won't want to miss this. Now that you know what NFTs are and how they work, let's talk about the real question. How can you profit from them? Well, there are three main ways to make money in the NFT space. Buy and sell, flipping NFTs. This is like real estate, but digital. You buy NFTs at a low price and sell them for a profit once their value increases. However, it's not just about buying, it's about knowing what to buy. Always research the artist, the community, and the rarity of the item. Just like real estate, location matters. But here, it's all about digital demand. Create and sell your own NFTs. If you're an artist or have a creative side, why not mint your own NFTs? Platforms like OpenSea and Rarible make it easy for anyone to create and sell. The best part? You can earn royalties on every future sale of your NFT, which means passive income. Think about it. Creating an NFT today could lead to income tomorrow. The future is in your hands. Invest in MetaVerse assets. This one's a little wild, but hear me out. The MetaVerse is a virtual world where you can buy land, build assets, and earn money. Just like NFTs, the value of virtual real estate is skyrocketing. People are making huge profits by buying up virtual property in the MetaVerse and renting it out. Sound crazy? Well, the future is now, and this is where things get really exciting. But here's the urgent part. NFTs are still relatively new, which means now is the time to get in, before everyone else does. The window is open, but it won't be for long. If you don't act fast, you might miss out. You've got the knowledge, the tools, and the insight to dive into the NFT world. Don't let fear hold you back. Take action and start small, but think big. The digital revolution is happening, and the opportunity is right in front of you. Now, before you go, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment below telling me which NFT strategy you're going to try first. Don't wait. The future is now, and it's time for you to join the wave. Are you ready to create your digital empire? Let's make it happen.